Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to identify and classify conic sections. Alright, here's the general form of the conic sections. Ax squared plus cy squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Now here are the graphs of the conic sections. The first one, circle, parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. And here's a standard form of the conic section. First one, the circle, is going to be this guy, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. Now, given the general form right here, how do we know if this one represents the circle? We need A equals C. And one of these elements right here must be different from 0, right? Because if A equals 0 and then the whole thing equals 0, and it's not going to be a circle anymore, right? Now, parabola A times C equals 0, which is this guy times this guy equals 0. Either one of this one right here must be equal to 0, but not both, because if they both equal 0, this and this gone, it's not going to be a parabola anymore. Now, next one, ellipse. The product of A and C right here must be greater than 0, right? In this situation, A different from C, and A and C have the same size, right? Now, the last one, hyperbola. The product of A and C must be less than 0. In this situation, A and C have the opposite size, right? Now, we're going to use this one to identify the following conic sections from the general form. Question A. For x squared minus 9x plus y minus 5 equals 0, we need to identify A. It's going to be 4, right? C is going to be 0. D is going to be negative 9. E is going to be 1. And F is going to be negative 5, right? Now observe that A times C equals 0, right? 4 times 0 equals 0. It falls into this case right here, right? And it tells us that this one is the parabola. Now question B. A equals 4, C equals negative 1, D equals 8, E equals negative 6, and F equals 4, right? A times C less than 0. Because 4 times negative 1 is going to be negative 4 less than 0. It falls into this case right here, right? So this one represents the hyperbola. Question C. A equals 2, C equals 4, D equals negative 4, E equals 12, and F equals 0, right? Observe that A times C equals 2 times 4 is going to be 8 greater than 0, right? So it falls into this case right here. The equation represents the ellipse, right? And the last one, A equals 2, C equals 2, D equals negative 8, E equals 12, and F equals 2, right? Now observe that A equals C equals 2, right? This one falls into this case right here, right? So the equation represents the circle. Now if you want to learn how to convert these equations into the standard form right here, please check out the link in the description below. And it's good time to start. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you're failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine.